Good morning friends, welcome to your favorite motivation channel Successful Life. I am Jyotiranjan. Today I want to speak about most important topic, that's intelligence. Day to day life we are meeting so many type of intelligent people. But question arises, are they real intelligence? Maybe or may not be. Then what does intelligent means? Intelligent definition is so vast because from the ancient time we cannot imagine there are so many intelligent persons in this world, but we cannot evaluate their intelligence. One person who has built a life with morality, only he can evaluate a person who has got some intelligence. But one person has not undergone morality in his life, we cannot evaluate, because if one person studies so many books, is not told to be intelligence. But if one person he shows everything through his attitude, then he may be called as intelligent person. Here one person's academic qualification that does not symbolize he is an intelligent person. But one person's attitude, his behavior, his morality, his quietness, his smile, his speaking ability, his humility, that signifies is real and intelligent persons. Therefore, we have to decide during our short span of life, we have to associate with a real intelligence persons. Then the reflection of the greatest qualities of his life that will falls on to our life. Then our life become perfect. Associate is the most important things that has a great role building a bright future of a person. Without association, one person life has no value. Therefore, one person should strictly discriminate whether he will become an intelligent person or an ignorant person. If he will become an intelligent person, his life will be called as real human life. If he has no intelligence or his life has full of ignorance, then the life will be called as beast life. A difference between human life and beast life is the level of intelligence. An intelligent person, he properly knows what he should speak, what he should eat, on which way he has to go, to whom he has associate, and from whom he will love, and from whom he will take advice. But an ignorant person, he does not with these things. He is first in life, eating, sleeping, mating, and defending, that a beast also does. Therefore, if one person who has been qualified from various world famous universities should not be considered as an intelligent person. But if one person will determine his duties, responsibility and value of time of short span of life, and he utilizes all the precious moment of the life in service of an welfare of human society, then he will be considered as a intelligent person. An intelligent person, he never thinks of himself, he always thinks of others, how everybody will protected from the perplexity of the life. and everybody life will be full happiness, and everybody will be cured from the disease, and everybody will reach his ultimate goal. He always thinks of other, how the life will be perfect and there will be become peaceful. He is called real intelligence. In conclusion, intelligent means thinking of other benefit. Therefore, a person who has no selfishness, enviousness, and his life a complete energy utilized for the welfare of human society is considered as an intelligent person, who is always try to utilize his mind, his body, his senses on energy for the benefit of the welfare of the world, and remove all the unhappiness, miseries of other. That will be real intelligence. Okay, thank you.